Hi everybody, welcome back to the online bridge classroom. Today we will look into another hand where the double misfires. Well, in this hand I am sitting east, where my right hand opponent opens one diamond in a precision style. Well, I have a nice looking 15 count, but seems I have no convenient action to take here. But it is not my style to pass with the 15 count when partner is an unpassed hand. Well, so here's a choice between overcalling one heart with a very good looking 4-card suit and overcalling one no trump with no stopper in diamonds. Well, since partner is an unpassed hand, one heart could make things really mess up when we have game values. Well, partner may not be aware that I don't have a 5th heart, so he may bid straight to the heart game, leaving me in a 4-3 trump fit, which is not something I want to see. Well, therefore I went for the other option, 1 no trump. Well, actually, against a precision style 1 diamond, a stopper in diamond may not be as important as it seems, since the bid does not promise length in diamonds. Well, so 1 no trump it goes. Okay, partner comes back with the statement, so I bid my major suit 2 heart. Well, partner comes back with an invitational 3 hearts. Well, my 15 high card points is super good for a trump contract, and the club finance actually looks good. So, well, 4 heart it is. And well, left hand opponent swiftly doubles, and after 3 passes he leads the 10 of clubs. I now have to plan for how to make 10 tricks. Well, the double tells me that for sure hearts are not breaking. He has got no high cards in hearts, so that should be from 4-card heart, or I hope he doesn't have all 5 cards of trumps out there. Well, so I have got 4 tricks in trumps, 3 in clubs with the finance seems to be working, and a diamond ruff for 8 tricks. Well, I suppose for the double, South has got at least one of the missing aces, and I do hope that it is the diamond ace, which will make me score my diamond ruff more confidently. So suppose the ace of diamonds is on side, that will count up to 9. Well, but given that North has opened the bidding, if one of the aces is on side, the other must be off, so the king of spades will not score that easily. So where will my 10th trick come from? Well, given that the trumps are not breaking, I need to act fast to prepare for my diamond ruff, else things could end up even worse if I do not score my ruff over there. So I play the jack of clubs from dummy and covered by the king. So carrying out my plan, I play a small diamond from hand next. Well, South, thinking that declarer must have the queen of diamonds for the 1 no trump bid, reasonably play low. And as I have wished, the king of diamonds in dummy now scores a trick, so I immediately place back a diamond. Well, North now plays the 10 of diamonds, which is no surprise at all. Here, it would be best for South to overtake with the ace of diamonds and shift to a spade. Well, but remember, South still thinks that the queen of diamonds is with declarer, so he reasonably play low again. Well, actually, in this moment, there is nothing much North can do at the moment, for the contract is already in an unbeatable position. He does his best to return a club. So declarer rises with the with the queen of clubs and ruff the losing diamond in dummy now. Well, let's take a look at what is happening actually now for the whole hand. So at this moment, declarer draw all 4 rounds of trumps. And for the first 3 rounds of trumps, North is still feeling okay as he can discard a diamond and a spade for now. But when it comes to the last trump trick, he is now in great trouble. Well, if he now discards the jack of spades, declarer can then drop the ace of spades in the next trick, and dummy's spade king will score a trick. Well, if he discards a diamond, declarer will cash the 9 of clubs and then play the last club to throw in North, so that he will need to lead away from his ace of spades, so dummy's king will then score the 10th trick. If he now discards a small club most directly, he will the declarer will catch the 9 of clubs, and the 4 of clubs will become the 10th trick immediately. Well, so at the table, the defender decided to discard his last diamond, and so declarer then cash the 9 of clubs, play the last club, and North will need to give declarer the 10th trick from the dummies King of Spades. Well, so as a declarer, always try to grab all the extra information given to you when opponent doubles your contract. How does the suit break? How are the high cards lined? Well, do not panic. Often when you keep yourself calm and collect the information available at the table, it could help you in making a contract. So here's the end of our sharing today. Hope you have enjoyed. See you soon and goodbye for now.